85% of households in the slums of Kenya's capital, Nairobi, experience mild to severe food insecurity as a part of their everyday life. Certain circumstances, such as high increase in the prices of basic food and other essential non-food expenditures, exacerbate their food insecurity. This issue leads these communities to adopt unhealthy coping behaviors, such as skipping meals, reducing quantities and diversity of meals, purchasing food on credit, and purchasing poor quality food items. Since 2012, Al-Khair Foundation's Kenya team has been participating in food relief programs, particularly in the month of Ramadan, with the primary goal of supporting those most vulnerable to food insecurity. Currently, Al-Khair Foundation's Kenya team are endeavouring to deliver large-scale food relief programs in Majengo and Kibera, two of the most vulnerable slums in Nairobi, where thousands of people living in poverty are provided with freshly prepared meals, Ramadan food packs, and a month's supply of dates. To help Al-Khair Foundation continue to support vulnerable and struggling communities, and to help us reach our monumental target of feeding 1 million people this Ramadan, please donate generously by calling now on 03000 999 786 or donate online at alkhair.org.